Many people struggle to make positive changes in their lives, often falling back into old habits or behaviors. The good news is that change is possible. By understanding some of the common reasons why people struggle to stick to new behaviors, you can develop strategies to overcome them and achieve your goals. So let's explore 5 common reasons why you have trouble sticking to new habits or behaviors. No. 1. Lack of clear goals, or lack of belief. When you lack a clear goal, you're like a ship without a rudder, tossed about by the winds of change. It's easy to lose direction and momentum without a clear destination in mind. Many people begin a new habit or behavior without taking the time to establish a clear goal. They may have a vague idea of what they want to achieve, but without a concrete plan of action, they're unlikely to succeed. On the other hand, having a clear belief in your ability to change is essential for success. If you believe that you can change, or that the benefits of a new habit outweigh the challenges, you're unlikely to stick with it. Lack of belief can manifest in negative self-talk, doubts about your ability to succeed, or a fear of failure. No. 2. Poor planning and follow-through. Without proper planning and follow-through, even the best-laid plans can fall apart. Many people struggle with staying motivated and disciplined, especially when faced with setbacks or challenges. To address this issue, you can break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps and create a plan of action with specific deadlines. You can also consider using tools such as calendars, planners, or apps to help you stay organized and on track. Additionally, it can be helpful to identify potential obstacles and develop strategies to overcome them. Finally, celebrate your successes along the way to stay motivated and build momentum towards your larger goals. No. 3. Comfort zone. Often our comfort zone is our greatest enemy when trying to stick to new habits. The comfort zone refers to the psychological state in which we operate within our limits and avoid taking risks or trying new things. When we remain in our comfort zone, we miss out on the opportunity to grow, learn, and achieve new things. To overcome this challenge, we can gradually push ourselves outside of our comfort zone by setting small, achievable goals and celebrating our successes along the way. We can also seek support from friends, family, or mentors who can encourage and motivate us to keep pushing forward. No. 4. Fear of failure. Fear of failure is a common reason why people struggle to stick to new habits. Many people are afraid of failing or not meeting their own expectations, and this fear can be However, it is important to remember that failure is a natural part of the process and should not be feared. Instead, we can learn from our failures and use them as opportunities to improve and grow. To overcome fear of failure, we can set realistic goals and expectations for ourselves, focus on progress rather than perfection, and celebrate our successes along the way. We can also cultivate a growth mindset and remind ourselves that failure is not the opposite of success, but a stepping stone towards it. No. 5. Lack of self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential for sticking to new habits, but many people struggle with maintaining motivation and resisting distractions. Without self-discipline, it's easy to get sidetracked or to give in to temptations, which can lead to breaking old habits and failing to establish new ones. But self-discipline can be developed over time through practice and persistence. Setting clear goals and creating a plan of action can help you stay focused and on track. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, achievable steps can make them seem less daunting and increase your sense of accomplishment as you check off each milestone. Utilizing tools such as calendars, planners, or apps can help you stay organized and prioritize your tasks. And seeking support from friends, family, or mentors can provide encouragement and accountability. Remember that developing self-discipline is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Let's dive deeper into ways to transform these challenges into opportunities for growth and success. Step 1. Clarify your purpose. Before implementing any changes, it's crucial to clarify your purpose and set clear goals. Ask yourself why you want to make these changes and what you hope to achieve. Having a clear understanding of your motivations will fuel your commitment and help you stay focused on your goals. Once you've established your purpose, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. This will give you a roadmap to follow and help you track your progress over time. Step 2. Develop a plan. Developing a plan is essential for staying committed to your new habits. A well-crafted plan will outline the steps you need to take to achieve your goals and provide a roadmap to guide you along the way. When developing your plan, consider using tools such as calendars, planners, or apps to help you stay organized and on track. It's also important to be realistic in your planning and account for potential obstacles or setbacks. By anticipating challenges and developing contingency plans, you'll be better equipped to handle them when they arise. Step 3. Seek support. Seeking support from others is crucial for staying motivated and committed to your new habits. Share your goals with friends, family, or mentors who can offer guidance, encouragement, and accountability. Joining a support group or online community can also provide valuable insights and best practices from others who are going through similar journeys. Remember, you are not alone in this, and there are people who want to help and support you along the way. Step 4. Focus on the benefits. Focusing on the benefits of your new habits can help you stay motivated and committed to your goals. Remind yourself of the positive outcomes you hope to achieve and the impact they will have on your life. Whether it's improved health, financial stability, or personal growth, the benefits of positive habits can be significant. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and the feeling of satisfaction and accomplishment that will come with it. Step 5. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself for sticking to your new habits is an effective way to stay motivated and reinforce positive behavior. Set up a system of rewards and incentives to keep yourself accountable and on track. This could involve treating yourself to a small indulgence after completing a week of healthy eating, or taking a break to relax and recharge after a productive work session. By associating positive experiences with your new habits, you'll be more likely to stick with them over time. Remember, the journey towards success is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when you feel like giving up, but it's important to push through those moments and stay focused on your goals. With determination, resilience, and a clear plan of action, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. In conclusion, while it can be challenging to stick to new habits or behaviors, it is possible with the right mindset and strategies. By understanding the common reasons why people struggle to maintain new behaviors, such as lack of clear goals or comfort zone, you can develop strategies to overcome them. Remember to be patient with yourself, seek support, reward your progress, and focus on the benefits of your new habits. With determination and persistence, you can achieve your goals and live the life you desire. If you found this advice helpful, please leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Your feedback is valuable and helps others who may be facing similar challenges. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips on personal growth and achieving success. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey towards positive change.